Welcome back, Evil GT, the new version. You've got Ben, and you've got a slimmer version of what I normally did. So you are Ben's real brother, right?
I'm indeed.
Yep, so...
I haven't got a fake one.
Dom and Ben, where's your Evil GT hoodie?
Where's your Evil GT
I've
hoodie?
given one. I've ordered a hat, but still haven't got it.
So what's happening today?
So we're the wingback interior that's in the Rs4 Avant that we got for £5,000. We're going to take that out and put it into our car.
Have you taken seats out of an Rs4 before?
No, but I'm sure it'll be simple.
Can't be that hard, can it?
I have got to ask though, do you usually meet boys down alleys like this?
Come on, we need an Evil GT cap. You don't want to be on YouTube? Come on, it's over here. Thank you to Y Foods for sponsoring this video. So before we start this job, we need some energy, right?
Oh yeah, Y Food, I remember these.
And the good thing with these is it keeps you filled up for up to 5 hours.
They're a full meal, high in fibre, rich in protein.
Yeah, low in sugar.
And they taste amazing.
The one I had last time, the smooth vanilla, is particularly nice.
26 vitamins and minerals. Have you tried any of the other flavours yet?
I don't need to. This one's just bang on.
The banana's definitely my favourite. So thanks very much.
And they also do some powders.
And little bars. Yeah, they're really good.
But we prefer these bottles just because you can throw them in the back of the car. They don't need refrigerating. The link's below. 10% off Evil GT10, yeah?
Yeah.
Right.
Cheers.
Okay. See you next time.
Sorry, the chair nearly broke.
Basically, this is going to be a 1-minute video, yeah?
This ain't going to take long.
The time lapses is going.
Yeah.
What have you taken out from?
What's the
What are you doing?
paperwork?
You're supposed to be taking the seats out. They're a bit dirty, these. Is it worth even taking them out?
Yeah, they just need to clean up, they're fine.
There's something holding this side in. There's something holding it in here.
What's happening here? How did this side come out?
I don't know, it was already loose.
Don't they usually flip forward?
Who actually got that out then? Was it you or Ben?
Mate? Who do you think?
You? Hold on a minute. Whoa.
What?
20p.
Oh yeah?
Put that in the pot.
Get in.
Evil GT.
Oh, complete with a
We'll get to
pube.
America here.
I think these have been out before, you know. I'm wondering if these were actually put in and this wasn't a wingback to begin with.
You know, you talk about the universe and wormholes and stuff.
Yeah.
Right, watch this. So you go into there, into that wormhole there, yeah?
Yeah.
Right in. Comes out there.
That's my arse, mate. Thanks for that.
Yes. There you go. Like a brand new, that one, isn't it?
One wingbacks.
What's this guy who's owned this? He's been to Sainsbury's, right? So he's not short of a few quid.
White cookies, McCain home chips, quiche Lorraine.
Right, I've heard enough. I think we've got a bit of a problem here. We might have been sold a dodgy interior. Listen to this. That doesn't sound good to me.
I'll sort that out, mate.
You know the best bit about this interior up to now?
What?
That little carbon fibre flap there.
On the back?
Seen it?
The ashtray. You want that?
Well, it's just nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're going with this is the problem. Got a little bit of play.
Yeah, there's a bit of place. It's not pulling it out far enough.
Thanks to everyone in Awesome GTI for lending us the tools. These are Johnny's. We've got some stuff for Tabby's. We've got some stuff for Simon's as well.
Oh yeah? Do you know who's who's though?
I know they're all snap-on. Dead expensive. Oh, and Jimmy as well. Jimmy helps us out as well at the beginning.
Jim. Whenever you're ready, mate. You're making that look like hard work.
Fuck, it is hard work. Good job these snap-ons are like lifetime warranty against snapping. Can I just add to the list now to thanks Jamie. These are Jamie's sockets, right? So that's about the 5th person we've borrowed stuff off. Do you think it's time to get our own tools?
I think, mate, that'd be a very good idea. Do you want the seat belts out of it because they're black?
Should we get brand new?
You want some yellow ones?
Yeah.
Now I know this is easily repairable, but look at that. It's just tatty and knackered like the whole. Look,
It's definitely had a hard life.
so we've decided that rather than trying to replace this and putting the car back on the road, because 2012 it was registered as a Cat D.
This is probably part of the stolen recovered bit because they might have been looking for some security device.
So rather than trying to put this back on the road, having it as a Cat D car, it's going to cost us easy £5,000, and then I'd be surprised if it's worth any more than 10, 11 grand when it's done. What we're going to do instead is we're going to strip it out and have it as a track car.
And that is down to a lot of people commenting. They said, why don't you just get it back on the road and maybe even put it as a track car? So we've sort of like taken your advice, not everyone's obviously, but people that said get it back on the road.
Yeah.
So a bit of both, track car,
Yeah.
and it's technically it's back on the road.
Yeah.
On the track.
On the track, on the tarmac. Yeah. So don't give us loads of shit for it because it's not going back on the road. It's our car. We'll do what the fuck we want with
exactly.
it. Isn't that what you
and if you want to pay for it, you put it back on the road.
I am taking a leaf out of your book.
Yeah,
there.
you've got to say as it is. People are too opinionated these days.
Yeah, they are.
Especially you, right there, in your armchair. Do this, do that. Oh, that's minging that. Oh, it's a 50 cent.
Chewing gums.
This receipt from 2008.
That's for like putting flooring down.
Brands Hatch.
Right, what we got here?
Garden Centre, 169 notes. Flame gun. Some sort of seal in it.
There you go. So anyone know what that is? Comment.
Google that part number, that'll tell you.
You're trying to take the cover off this to put the black cover on because this one's got a heating element inside it.
That ain't gonna work.
Not going to work now.
No. But how about we dye that black so it keeps the heated seat and it looks like it's in better nick, it just needs cleaning up.
Why don't we just recover this? Surely that's...
That's not got the heated seat in it.
Yeah, but you never sit in the back, you drive it. Why do
Yeah,
you
but it's
care
nice.
about the back?
Well, it's nice to have it in because the buttons are there for it.
If you're giving someone a lift, it's either get in the back or walk.
Right,
You
look.
can't expect heated
When they
seats.
get
can you?
out, when they get out with white jeans on, and then they walk that way, and they're like the black and white minstrel.
Yeah, exactly.
I think you can't just put it on.
Come on,
You can't just put it on.
Well, just put it on.
So what do
Why?
you do then?
Well,
You've got to like alcohol clean it and shit first, and then.
Just try a little bit on the edge.
Why?
Right here where you can't see it, yeah?
No, I'm not doing that. Stop trying to get me to ruin my car.
Nice t-shirt that, by the way. Where'd you get that from?
I got this from evilgt.com. Get your merch there. Thank you.
Okay, worst case scenario, we dye the back ones, the original backs, out of that,
Yeah.
and they don't come out right. We will put the black one in.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So it's like a fallback plan.
Yeah.
This
That's
is plan
it.
A. We might revert to plan B.
And if someone fancies helping us to reupholster the whole interior anyway,
Yeah.
then get in touch with Lee because he's paying.
So we've still got a problem with the slider. It pops out. Yeah.
Yeah, the slider thing pops out. I know how
there's
to get it
not
back in now, but it's a ball ache.
Right. So we've got one in and one to go. Don't need to go to the gym, do you? All the people that said we do work ourselves, you should do it yourself. What have you got to say to them?
Get fucking. It's not happening now. We've quit. We've retired early.
That's grim, that.
Alright.
You're getting your brother to scoop out all your shit out of the back.
Oh, it's on tape as well.
Everyone said, and quite rightly, these are not as comfortable as the comfort seats.
But
They
you
look
ain't
cool.
moving in this.
No.
And the way he drives round these corners now, he's got his new clutch from
the new
RTS.
tyres.
Thanks, mate. And the new Michelin's. We're getting it tuned next week.
Yeah, we are Monday.
So we're going to have some pops and bangs. Stage 1, is it going to be technically?
I've no idea.
Right, well
Stage
maybe.
summit.
It's going to be around, hopefully we're going to get 425 horsepower. So check that video out next week.
The bolsters work. Oh, these are your legs.
Yeah, yeah.
Are they squeezing you in?
Squeezing me, yeah. What does the leg one supposed to do though?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, it's
squeezing
working.
your legs in.
It just took a minute.
Yeah.
Must have been on the widest bit, you know, because I'm quite slim and it
Yeah.
took a while to come in.
Well,
Come on. There you go. So that's the front passenger side card changed over. We've done the other one, just got to put it on. We've changed over the handle on it because the other one was a bit shabby. So hopefully that looks a bit better. And we're just saying, hopefully these back doors are the same cards, yeah? Because
I hope so.
that's in state, this is a saloon.
so I replied to loads of people on the internet saying, yeah, mate, yeah, the
Every
sound,
time.
they'll fit.
Yeah, they look the same. Supposedly this is it, did it say stage 2? 435 horsepower, something like that?
Apparently so.
So, we'll see if it sounds like 435. Whenever you're ready, mate.
It's alright, the bit of the carbon you said wasn't for this side is for this side, so I'm
Yeah,
just
well,
putting...
you took it apart, not me.
Like any good German car, mate, if this was a Datsun, it wouldn't start. There's a lot of beeping going on in here, so front right turn signal, right main beam light, so obviously the headlight's knackered, coolant.
You want to give it a blip, see what it sounds like?
What? Hey,
Is that some bit popping and banging? Go on, give it Anyway, at least it works because we didn't start it last time, did we? So
No.
people know.
there you go.
So it's
Engine.
kicking out a bit of smoke there.
That's a bit of shit. To be honest, I mean, it was cold.
We're going to get that wheel fixed. That should be an easy enough fix, even though I did say last time that it was unrepairable, but I'm not a wheel
plenty
expert.
of people said that it was repairable.
Yeah, so all you guys said it was okay.
Where was the dint in it? Oh, there. I mean, it's pretty bad, that, innit? But I don't know if the rest of it's twisted or whatever, but apparently they can straighten them off, so...
You're going to find a offside front wing.
Yeah. Which I've seen on eBay.
How much?
There was a brand spanker still in the packaging. There was 300 quid, but I saw a second-hand one, but it was Sprint Blue, and that was 200.
Right, okay. So 200 to 300 quid for the wing. Johnny just come out from in the Awesome GTR and said This is something to do with the aircon. We don't need aircon, that just drains power, right?
Yeah,
So we can
you
leave
think
that
so?
off.
Yeah.
This is some sort of water cooler radiator thing. We're going to take this, we're going to just take this off.
Like that?
Like that. And we're going to put a cold air feed there, so it's going to bypass this. So this will come off, and then it will go straight into here. So the engine's going to have perfect cold air.
Yeah.
And we're not going to have any aircon. Obviously we need to find these, we're not going to get a genuine mirror, surely.
They're well expensive.
And we do need, you need a mirror on the track.
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to have to fix that. But you can get aftermarket ones, just like little, whatever, cheapos.
Little
from
shitties.
Maybe Demon Tweaks or something.
Cheapos, so we can get like an M3 one or something then. Cheapo
Yeah,
ones.
yeah, get some
Shit-
BMW
shit-
parts.
Yeah, shit ones.
So, we're not actually leaving the seats in. We're going to get some buckets, because you'll just slide around in them. We'll see if we can get some cheap buckets off eBay.
Yeah.
And anyone who's got a track car, it's the first modification.
What?
Steering wheel.
Oh yeah?
A nice Sparko. So it's Christmas coming
There's
soon.
600 notes, them, you know.
Don't worry about that. It's Christmas coming soon. What,
Yeah.
in about 6-7 months?
Right?
So stick it on your Christmas list. Your missus, new steering wheel.
It is a shame that this is going to get turned into a track car, but it's so tatty on the inside. Parts are getting more and more expensive.
Yeah.
It's already a Cat D. It's a no-brainer, really.
If it stands as at like 5 or 6 grand for a V8 track car, you're never buying a V8 track car for less than 10 grand, are you really?
No.
Oh, and did we mention before? It's got the KWs on it, V3s,
Same.
as that, and we paid £850 second hand for that suspension.
Yeah.
So that is definitely good for
So
the track,
we
yeah?
can just stiffen them off. Perfect for the track. Job
Yeah.
done. So we haven't even got to sort out a set of coilovers.
It's ready, it's good to go. It might not look in the best condition, it's a bit knackered at the moment, but as soon as you throw a wing on that and fix that little radiator thing there.
New bumper.
Oh yeah, we forgot about the bumper, we need a bumper.
They're expensive as well.
Slight problem, we thought the video was over, but the windows don't work.
Can't get them back up.
Can you tell us why they don't work?
Because I'd literally just put the door card on and not
Didn't plug it in.
plug it in, no.
So if anyone has a problem on YouTube, they want to get a tutorial on how to fix door windows and stuff, just plug them in.
Plug them in.
Yeah, just
That's what it normally sorts the issue, that.
Fixes every problem. Oh, look at that! You just need the touch, mate. You haven't got it.
It's been a long day, mate. Come on.
Right, do you want the other side up as
That's
well?
up.
There we go. Happy now.
Yeah, can we go to the pub?
The seats are tatty. Do we retrim them?
Maybe.
Or do we just clean them up? It needed hoovering, really. We should have hoovered it when we had the seats out, but we've not. We barely had any tools. Thank you to Mark and everyone in here. Jamie, Tabby,
John,
Johnny,
Greg,
yeah.
Simon,
So everybody, Mike,
yeah.
and anyone else. Do you know what? I would say thanks to Habib, but
But
he's got another day off. It's like, does he ever do anything
I
here?
don't know. He's stealing a living, him.
If anyone's into media and can hold the camera, Mark's looking for someone. You know,
Let's hope Habib watches this.
only joking, Habib. You know, it's only a bit of banter.
Hey,
innit?
it's 40 grand a year though, Habib was telling us.
Yeah, not bad wages, that is
He's
it?
living the dream, him.
Got any jobs going?
Cats!
So we're going to get some yellow seat belts to match the calipers, right?
Yeah.
That's the next bit on there.
Okay, cool. Could you please subscribe to the channel? I need to make this quick. Evil GT Cars. Please subscribe to Awesome Cars. And please also Evil GT Cars on Instagram. He'll put all the cutaways for that in. Thanks very much. I'm going to the pub.
See you in a bit.
Ta-ra.
Oh, and thanks to Dom.
Oh,
What
yeah.
a guy. Dom has actually done all the work, really.
Bollocks.
And the muscle.
Look at him, he's had to change his clothes.
I have.
And this isn't day 2, this is the same day.
Same day.
See you, mate. See you in a bit. Bye. See ya. See ya. Bye. See you later.